spin that. Episode 5, we're in the studio. Today I have a couple of things, so it's a bit of this and that. When I built this, I noticed there was a gap. So I was wondering what this gap is there for. I'll work on that today. If you haven't watched about the Hoonigan, you need to go check it out. It was an amazing process. Behind the scenes, I was actually sorting out my containers where you put all your screws. It's usually easy because when you're building or you're going somewhere to drive the RC cars, then you want certain things to be in a certain place. You want to have everything ready. So I was able to sort out all these, took them out from the basement, and then put them in the order that they're required to be put in. That is done. In this episode 5, we're going to be working on the WLtoys. This is a scale 1 to 28. You can use them for drifting, and you can also use them for racing. Also for drifting, they're quite good depending on the floor that you're going to use them. So I have some of the parts that I can be able to change them. First of all, what I'm going to do is strip this down completely so that I can be able to start the process. So after a lot of struggle, I've managed to finish with the front. So these are fat drift wheels, and then I just need to tighten them in order for them to see properly. So if you take out everything, I have the front suspension built. That's how it looks like. Everything is metal everywhere. Metal. So that's how the new wheels will look like. So yesterday I was able to do the front. So I put in the shocks, and then now I started working on, I want to work on how it's going to turn left and right, but to give it the utmost degree so that if it turns, it's about 45 degrees, and if it turns to the other way, it's the same. Okay, so it's going to sit a little bit at the top. We have this here, how the front will look like. After a lot of work, before, after, but only the front. The back, I've left it like that because I still want to see what is there any difference in the whole system when it's set up like that. And then I added also spacers so that to reduce the vibration. Added a gyro on top, and then the metal bits for the turnbuckles, suspension, and everything. Okay, cool. Time to test it. I'm happy with the outcome. It does quite well, and depends how much you open it up or close it. Then with the limiter, then you can be able to drift to a certain degree. What has happened? It's gone off. I just really need to attach the body. I'm going to. Don't worry. I was drifting before with it. The body is apart. Not battery. So for this one, I'm actually trying to fix this gap. Nothing more to it. So we've been able to fix it. But before that, I just wanted to show you guys a trick. We can do this. We're gonna drift on the table. Drifting on the table. What? So nice. So there you have it. It's all fixed now. It looks good. Now that I've finished this, the next job will be cleaning this. I want to take off the tires, then I'll put ceramic tires or plastic tires because I already have the tiles for drifting, so it will be perfect for that. I'll also calibrate the gyro and just clean up a bit to make sure everything is 100%. Simple job, and then we'll move to the next. So the plan, we will get this on. But before we do that, I'm thinking of even bending it more. I have to bend. It's happening. It's happening. Measure to know. I'm wondering if I would also do this. It will also pull it back. So we've gone all the way to 18.9. This is the side the lower arm is. So 18.9 and it was at 21. So if you have the wheel, it's a plastic wheel similar to this. So basically what you're supposed to do is have some tape that you run a double-sided, it's sort of like a double-sided tape that you run across. I tend not to do that because you need to put them in hot water and then you put them and then it sticks. But because I change the wheels a lot and the wheel cups, I tend to leave mine as they are. Now let's see whether our slant has worked. So what I do is I just force them to fit. So contract, fridge, expand, boiling water. Boom. Thank me later. So that's how much angle has been created. So this is with 18 and 10, 18.6 and 10, and this is with 21 and around 12. I must say this is cheesy. I'm going to take it out. Get like $100. Spin that. Next one. Ain't nobody got time for that. There we go. Around 18.6. Okay, I think that's a good place.